Hey everyone, welcome to Neil's World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bring in your mobile phone screen to OBS for some tutorial purpose like the one like I'm showing right now. Here it is. You can see this is what I can show in my screen. I brought in my mobile phone screen. So I'm going to show you how you can do a similar thing in OBS using OBS. For that, I'm going to go to OBS. So this is my OBS and I'll show you how to do it. This is a blank scene, right? So I first of all I'm going to add a source. I'm going to add a video capture device, something like okay. I'm going to add my own video capture device. So this is it. This is in 4K. My canvas is in 1080. That is why I'm going to make it fit to screen. Okay. This is how you're putting your camera. Okay, your camera fit in OBS. Okay, this is the regular stuff. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in my mobile phone screen to this blank space, something like this. For that, what I'm going to do is I'll show you how to do it in the mobile. You need to change some settings in the mobile and then bring in your in OBS. First of all, I'm going to show you how to do it in mobile. For that, you need to install one software called, let me search and show you, Screen Stream. This is the app that I am showing you, Screen Stream, not HTTP Screen Stream. So you get this app, download it to your phone and then open up. So once you open, you have this different streaming mode. I am selecting local mode and this is to be done in the Wi-Fi area. So if you have a home Wi-Fi, your computer should be connected to the Wi-Fi and your mobile connected to the Wi-Fi, then you can bring in your mobile phone screen via a web browser to your OBS. Here you can see that there is this device address. You can use this device address 192.168.68.58, port number 8080. That device address, you can use it for this demonstration purpose. So what I'll do, once you're done installing this software on this mobile phone, you have this IP address, device address, then what you need to do, you need to go to OBS and then add one more source as a browser. Okay, you go and add this as a browser. Go ahead, create a new browser source, and here in the address field you type the browser address as you have found out in the Screen Stream app. In the width and height values, you put the device resolution from your device. I have a Galaxy S23. I have got this width as 1080 and height as 2360. Okay, let it allow. So once it is done, what you can do, you can then resize it to in your canvas. You can resize it in your canvas and bring it like this. This window is there. And why I'm not seeing anything? Because I have not started the stream. So if you go to the mobile interface, you can see that there is a stream button. So I'm showing you in the camera also, there is a stream button. Once you start the stream, and you have two options. One is share one app, where you can share the screen from one app in your mobile phone and you can share the entire screen. I'm going with the entire screen right now. You can select one particular app to share the screen to the OBS. Now once I started sharing screen, it is now sharing screen. Now if I go to this OBS page, nothing is going on. So I'll go ahead to the properties and then what I'll do is refresh the cache. You see this? Once I refresh the cache, it is coming up. So now it is showing the screen from my mobile phone. So you can see that my mobile phone screen is there. So you can see that my mobile phone screen is going there. So whenever I do this, my screen is showing in the OBS. So this is very easy and a free method to bring in your mobile phone screen to OBS using this stream screen stream app. So I'll give the links to this, give the link to this app in the description. You can go ahead and download this app, and this is a very nice app which is free to use and it does a pretty good job.